Okay, so let's continue from my previous part, which I left over it. So you can see the previous part video in the description section. So from there you can reach out there if you want. Okay, so let's go back on my analysis of Excel data and how it's giving you a functionality to fulfill the data. Let me quickly show you. Okay, so suppose you have typed some data in one column and I have started typing another one, and once I press a first word of the another one, it will giving me an option to autofill it. You can see it's called the flash fill functionality. So here you can see I typed carrot. It's giving me to fill up the option like this. So this is how you can use to fill it out. And the second part also I will be getting if I type something in the above uh, cell in the same row, you will can see when I press the enter, it's taken all the data. This is the feature or the functionality of Excel. It's called flash fill options. So from here you can accept it, you can reject it, or you can undo the changes. If I don't want to put it here, I can type it manually if I want, or I can just take the fill option which I used over there. I have not typed anything. If I typed 100 rows here, it will automatically take it the same pattern from last 100 rows. Okay. Okay. Now we have an option to calculate the Autosum also. Suppose you have typed something like I typed some values here. Okay. And I want to take an Autosum. I have an option. I can take it directly instead of typing uh, some function or some manually type calculation of this. I will show you how we can take it this various formulas and the functions that are available here. So what you have to do, you have to just click on this formula right now and you can click on Autosum. Once you click on Autosum, it will automatically take the function and the range. I can just press enter, it will give me a value. If I want to take it in this way, for example, I'm taking it like this. What I can do, I can just click on this, and once I click on Autosum, Excel have the functionality to pick up the location. If I want to reduce the cells, I can just hold down the shift key and then click on the required cells and then just press enter. It's giving a mark like this that shows like you have formula is omit the cell and it's not updated this one cell. It's just giving it. You can ignore this if you have uh, taken these two only. If you want to correct it, you can also update it from there. Same way, we can calculate the average, count, min, max, and other functions also. I will continue in the couple of next videos, show you how we can use the formulas and something. Okay, so this is the quick way to calculate it from top to bottom or left to right, wherever you want. Okay, we have an option to calculate some conditional formattings. How it's calculated or how you can do that, you can just click on like this. Suppose I have selected these values. If I go to do some conditional formatting on the home page, home ribbon or home page, click on conditional formatting. From here you can choose the type of format you want to keep. Anything like want to take it like this, want to keep it like this, want to keep it like this. So here it's going upward, downward values, arrows showing like this. Shape, if you want to put the values in the shape, you can. It will also gives you a preview. So as per your preview requirement, you can check it out. You can see it like this. So that will add some additional function representation of your data. So make your data like this. And later on, what you can do, you can also copy this data from here and put it in your PowerPoint presentations or somewhere wherever you want to show this and the representative format for data representation. Okay, we have an option to freeze the top rows. Suppose you have rows like this. If I want to keep, I just want to add it here, some data, name, and then account. I want these two should be available always. Like I have typed some data, for example, one data one, or this is how I just copied this data from here to till now. What I can do, I can simply move my cursor, and once this big cursor become this pointer, you can just click and drag it, so you can see it's automatically adding the numbers, and now it's given till 39. But I want what you have seen now. If I move like this down arrow, it will remove my top uh, these two columns also, rows also. If I want to keep these rows as it is and want to scroll down the data, how we can do that? Just click on this, and then you have to freeze it. How we can freeze it? You can simply view, freeze spans, and then freeze the top rows. So how it works, let me show you. If I go there in the view menu, okay, and the click on freeze, and then you can see the freeze spans option is available. You can do freeze spans, freeze top row, freeze the first column, or a specific area. When you select in a specific area, you can choose this option. So I just click on freeze top row. Now it's, you can see one marking bar is also there. Now what you can see, I'm scrolling down, the top rows are still remain available, these two. Same way, if you want to keep multiple area sections, you can just select like this, and you can select the first. I need to unfreeze that, and then I can put the this area, so it will freeze the specific pane or a section. Okay, so this is all about the basic things regarding this session. Now I will show you a couple of more things in this video. Once you go on the home, you can select it and you want to keep this as a bold one. Okay, from click on this to keep it as a bold. You can do as an italic, you can do as an underscore, underline, or underscore, not exactly underscore, it's underline something text. You want to change that form font, you can change it from here. You can increase or decrease the size of your text which you have written. If you want to fill something, you can fill any color, you can just click on this box, or you can select the color to fill it in the background. The range, whatever you select, it will fill the same color in that. If you want to change the text color, you can just click on this, and from here you can change the color whatever you want. If I want to change color for this, I can also do that like this. So these are the sample formattings that you can do. If you want to increase the size of column, you can just click on here, and that will increase your column. I will continue show you the some formatting options in Excel in this upcoming video. So just continue it from the next part. The next part link is also mentioned in the description box, so you can check it from there and continue it. Thank you as of now.